Aya-ayang araw guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunch boxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So today is February 12, 2023. It's a Sunday and we are on our way to Tagaytay City. So we are going to be celebrating Zion's 13th birthday in Tagaytay. We have rented a place there with a swimming pool and we're going to be staying overnight. So samahan nyo kami for today. Ayan na guys, so we're here na sa Casa El Piso. Ayan. Hoy, thank you kuya.
Kung may kailangan ko kayo mong job, bigyan ko kayo dito.
Anong name mo?
June po.
June. Thank you kuya June. Bukas alalayan mo ulit ang maglawas ka. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So, ayan guys, ito yung rent namin na place na may pool. So, Casa El Piso yung pangalan niya. So, lagay ko yan sa screen and the address. So, meron siyang parking for one car. Ayan, kukunin lang ni Bento Daddy yung gamit namin. And then, meron siyang outdoor kitchen. Ayan, may ref, kompleto yung gamit. Merong water, hindi nyo na kailangan magdala. May rice cooker, LPG. Ayan, kailangan nyo lang magbayad ng extra, I think, 300. Ayan. And then, meron siyang outdoor na dining area. So, ayan, may roof. Nakita nyo naman. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Tapos, meron siyang artificial turf or grass. There. Sige. Ayan, kunin mo yung password sa wifi. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, accommodating kasi merong nag-help sa amin. And then, ito yung toilet. There. Tapos, ito yung swimming pool, shower area. Tapos, kuya, pag yung bonfire, at tas may bonfire sila, guys, tsaka ihawan. Ayan. Magdo-doorbell na lang kami kung magpapa-bonfire mamaya. Okay. Ayan. So, ito. And then, may ihawan. Ayan. Tapos, pag nakita nyo, ayan yung cabin. Guys. So, 5 packs kami. Meron din silang bigger na area. Ayan, Casa El Piso. Meron silang bigger na area sa kabila for big families. Tapos, pasok tayo sa cabin. Ayan, tapos pagpasok nyo ng cabin, eto. Meron. Then, dito may day bed na may pull out. Meron silang videoke. Ayan, via YouTube ata. Online. And then, ayan, meron ding room dito sa baba. And then, this is the banyo. Open natin, ayan. Ayan, and then, may shower, may heater, ayan. Sobrang nice. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, dito sa taas, ayan, nakita nyo guys, yan, may loft siya. So, akit tayo sa loft. Ayan. Ito yung itsura ng taas. Tapos, air-conditioned yung cabin. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung view from here sa taas. Ayan sila sa baba. So, si Daddy nasa labas pa. So, ayun guys. So, magpa-prep lang kami. Later, balik kami for the vlog. Samahan nyo kami. So, ayan guys. Si Zion is swimming na. Is it cold?
Yeah. Very cool.
Very cold? Parang hindi naman.
Bro, then get in!
Tagaytay swimming. So, ayun, sabi nila cold daw, pero mamaya i-try natin. And ganda guys, sa taas. Pag inopen yung ilaw, nakita nyo kanina. Yan. There. Yan. So, tomorrow pa yung birthday ni Zion, but we're celebrating already kasi may pasok tomorrow. Yan. Yan si Bento Daddy.
Bakit mag-uunang ba kayo na?
So, ayan na. Nag-iihon na si Bento Daddy for dinner later. And then, nagpa-deliver na lang kami ng food. Yan. Siyempre, Hello Kitty. Zion's birthday. Favorite ni Zion pizza. And nag-order kami ng bulalo. Shout out sa Christine's Bulalo. Christina's Bulalo. O yan, o. And then, pansit. Tsaka, calamares. So, ito na yung dinner namin. Pwede naman magluto, kaya lang, ayaw na namin magluto. Ayan. Yun. Chicharon. Yan, si Zay nagsiswimming. Here. Ayan, magda-darts daw si Zion. Move! Move pa farther. Hey! No! It didn't reach the board.
Yeah!
Go!
Mom is going to do darts. Yay. Okay.
How's si Daddy? Ayan. Don't want to play na? You don't want to play na?
No.
Uy, set up na ni Kuya yung bonfire. Hindi, so dapat may stock ka pala ng diff food. Ang galing eh, no? So, habang nagsiset up si Kuya there, save Molly. Ito, meron nag-blow ng cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So, ito na yung tsura ng place na pala paggabi. Ayan. There. And then, ito yung sa bonfire. Tapos, super liwanag din dito sa parang dining area. Ayan. And then, sa kitchen. Ayan. So, iniwan namin yung cake. Homemade cake. Designed by Zion. Na. Set up na yung bonfire. So we're gonna roast some marshmallows, Zion. Yeah. So ayan na sila. Nag-roast ng marshmallows. Pero, ayan. So medyo sa top ka lang mag-roast kasi baka maglasang ano. Yon. No. night swimming. So, ito na nga. Nahulog yung glasses ni Zion there. Ay, siya sa ilalim. There's the hero. Bento Daddy saves the day.
Bro! Bro!
Uy, huwag kayo muna umahon. Ay, yung tawa. Ligo-ligo din pag may time.
Pag matagal ka din mo, mawawala.
Kaya nga kanina. Ayoko nga. May hangin na kasi eh. Hulog mo ulit. Kain lang kami and coffee. So may pabingo kami guys. Yan. So nanalo siya sa bingo. May see your card.
Wait.
Where are your cards?
Wait. Here.
Si Zion
mali yung
hindi.
nailagay ko.
Si Ashley din hindi nanalo. Si Daddy
Ayan,
yung nanalo. Magva-validate tayo kung talagang siya yung nanalo.
Walang,
Did it?
ano, napuna.
So, ayan na guys. Retire na kami for the night. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya sa gabi. Pinatay na namin lahat ng ilaw. Nandun si Daddy sa car. May kinuha lang. Okay na? Ayan. So, dito kami sa kwarto sa baba, matutulog. Andun sila sa loft. Ayan. So, here kami. And then, yung mga kids sa loft. So that's it guys for our stay here sa Casa El Piso. We're gonna go somewhere here in Tagaytay after this. We're gonna have our lunch. So abangan nyo yun sa next vlog ko. We're gonna go have ramen sa isang Japanese restaurant na a hole in the wall here sa Tagaytay. So for now, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share this video. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!